In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ChatGPT Online 2026 full guide. By the end, you'll know exactly what's changed, how to get set up safely, how free usage works, and when it makes sense to consider a paid plan. First, let's clear up the biggest change, model retirement. OpenAI has updated its lineup, and older models like GPT-4, GPT-4o, and GPT 4.1 have been retired from the ChatGPT interface. That means you won't see or select those versions anymore. Instead, the current free tier offers limited access to newer models, such as GPT 5.2. If you've seen tutorials that promise shortcuts to unlock GPT-4 inside ChatGPT, those are now outdated because those specific models aren't available in the current lineup. Keeping this in mind will save you time and help you rely on accurate, up-to-date information. Now, let's get you set up the official way. There's no trick, workaround, or bypass needed to use the latest AI for free. Head to the official ChatGPT website, sign in, or create a free account if you don't have one yet. Once you're logged in, you can start chatting right away on the free plan. Sticking to the official sign-in process protects your account, ensures you're using the correct model, and helps you benefit from any improvements OpenAI rolls out. Next, understand how free usage limits work. The free tier is generous, but it operates with message limits inside a rolling time window. If you reach your cap, you'll need to wait for that window to reset before continuing at no cost. A practical tip is to batch your questions, draft longer prompts offline, and be concise so you get more done within your allowance. And depending on current capacity and caps, you may also see access to extra features like GPTs and certain advanced tools. These can vary, so if something isn't visible right now, check back later. Choosing between free and paid comes down to consistency and volume. The free tier is great for writing, brainstorming, learning, and everyday tasks. If you need more messages, more reliable access during busy hours, or higher usage limits, ChatGPT Plus is designed for that steadier, higher throughput workflow. To wrap up, stick with the official sign-in flow instead of third-party bypasses, and keep an eye on your message count so you're not surprised by the rolling reset window. And that is all for today. Navigating the latest AI updates is simple when you follow the official paths provided by OpenAI. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you